Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
First, install Git for Windows and Visual Studio 2022 with Git workload. Then install the GitHub extension for Visual Studio to simplify authentication and workflows. Open a terminal and verify Git version is 2.0 or higher before proceeding. Generate a 4096-bit SSH key pair for secure authentication with GitHub and save it to your user SSH folder. Add the public key to your GitHub account under SSH and GPG keys. Finally, sign into GitHub in Visual Studio using your account credentials. To work with code, clone an existing repository using the GitHub HTTPS or SSH URL into Visual Studio. Alternatively, create a new repository from Visual Studio and select GitHub as the remote host during setup. Set the remote origin to the repository URL and confirm the branch is main before committing changes. Always perform a pull from origin main to sync remote changes before you start new work locally. Open the clone solution and load projects to ensure Visual Studio recognizes solution files properly. Work in a feature branch and commit changes locally with clear descriptive messages before pushing. Push your commits to origin using SSH or use a personal access token for HTTPS authentication when two-factor is enabled. On GitHub, create a pull request from your feature branch into main and assign reviewers for code review. Address review feedback, make amendments, and commit new changes to the same branch for automatic PR updates. If merge conflicts occur, fetch origin main, resolve conflicts locally in Visual Studio, then commit and push the merged commit back to origin.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.